Hello, welcome back once again. My name is Emokwenes, the founder of Irida Digitals and Irida Host. Irida Digitals is a web designing company. We teach how to design websites, and we design websites for big companies and individuals. Okay, now and also we have Irida Host. Irida Host is also part of our brand. That is, it's all about web designing, web hosting. Sorry, it's all about web hosting. If you need high speed web hosting server to manage your websites, look no further. Look for Irida Digitals. The link is below this video. We have affordable prices. Let me show you around. When you look at this, is Irida Digital, our official website. This is my picture. Those who don't know me, because I don't show my face on the camera, so I mean during recording. So now let me show you this Irida Host, our official website. That is web hosting website. Now let me show you around. We have an affordable web hosting plan, and then also domain name. Okay, good. When you come here, we have one that is monthly one, which is 10.99 per month. Or you can just pay 100 Ghana cedis for the whole year. Okay, and you will get all these resources for free. You can read through it. You won't get it anywhere. You won't get it anywhere. And also we have the professional, which is 17 Ghana cedis, 0.99 per month. But you can go in for the 200 Ghana cedis. The 200 Ghana cedis comes with free domain name. Okay, you get free domain name, that is as part of it. And yes, and then you won't get free domain renewal, meaning the domain name that will be given to you for the first year. Okay, but for the business plan, you will get that one too, free domain name, but no renewal. Okay, and that is 300 Ghana cedis. But there's other resources. We have unlimited subdomain and also unlimited bandwidth. You can add up to 10 domain. Okay, meaning you can add more websites. Okay, unlimited number of websites. But with this, you can renew the domain for free, meaning after the year, if you want to continue with to use the domain, you can renew for free. Okay, with this package, there's a lot of resources. If you're a web designer and you have been designing a website for your clients, with this package, which is 600 Ghana cedis, or even with this, which is 300 Ghana cedis, you'll be able to add 10 websites. Okay, which is good enough. But if you go in for the 600 Ghana cedis, you'll be able to add unlimited websites for your clients. So all the websites that you'll be designing for your client, you can host it on this platform. We are not here to talk about that. And not only that, we also have the cheapest domain so far. I will enter any random word here. Then we look at the prices that will pop up for the various extensions. So for instance, let's say a big fish eats. Good. So let's see the names that will pop up here and their prices. So XYZ is 87 cedis 50 pesos. Yes, and then we have .com, which is 142 Ghana cedis, which you will not get it anywhere. .net is 115 Ghana cedis, and then .org is 134 Ghana cedis. Then we have so we have a affordable web hosting. Okay, now domain names, .in is 57 Ghana cedis. So we have the cheapest domain name here. You can come here and buy it. Okay, so thank you. Enough with this advert. Let us continue while we are here. Okay, so this is the school management system part 16. Okay, yeah, we have already posted the part 15 on the platform. If you're not watching the video, just look through it. School management system, that is part 15 has been posted already, and this is part 16. Okay, and we are going to look at so many things here. Okay, so you are welcome. Now please leave a comment. I will advise you to share, like. Okay, that's the only way that will motivate us to do more. Okay, because we are ready to do more. If you are ready to help us by sharing our videos on other platforms, on your WhatsApp group for your friends and family to also acquire this knowledge for free. We will be happy, and that is good. Thank you. Now let's move on. Okay, so we ended here in our last tutorial. We created the menu, we add some pages, and today we are going to continue from there. I would like for us to log in first. To log into your WordPress dashboard, you have to come here and enter /wp-admin. Okay, this is simple. Then you click enter. The last video 15, it's like at that time it was very late. In fact, when I was recording that video, I don't know, I was very tired. So there's a certain thing that I want us to fix now. So here you enter your domain name and your password, then you click login. Your username and the password, sorry for that. Okay, so first let's go to the header. In the last video we were looking at how to add teachers login button or page and then student. Okay, so let's go there. I think there's something that I want to do attention. So I've opened it in a new tab, and I will open this one to the back end again, so that we have two. I've opened two, okay, and they are all in the back end. But with this last one, I will click customize. Okay, let me click again. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so we are here. Let's go to the header. So here, select header. Good. Now let's make change on logo. I have problem with my logo that I added on my last video. Let me click on that and let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you look at, let me click here. When you look at the logo, this one, you see it has unwanted. It has a large space around it, okay, on top here and down here, which I don't want that. So I want to edit the image here. So you can use this to edit the image, okay. Yeah, there's a lot of secret tricks in WordPress. Okay, so let me go to crop. I would hold here and drag it down close to that. Then I will hold here and drag it up close to this. Let me drag this one again, and then I will click apply. Good. Okay, so now it's okay. I can save it here, and after that I can come here and click update, and it will update it for me. So now let me go remove this. Okay, good. I can now I can decide to refresh the page here, or let's just insert it. Okay, good. Now let me click publish. You see now it's now big enough. So let me come here and refresh the page, and you see the size. You see, so right now let me reduce it. Let me reduce here. So the logo height here, I will reduce it to, I think, the 90 80. This is 86. Let me make it 80 and let's see. 80. Yeah, 80 is good to me. Okay, let me save it first and come here and let me see. Okay, so let me refresh the page. Oh, it's too small now. Okay, so let me open it again. Okay, so let me make it 100 and say publish it. Come here and refresh it again. Okay, good. So this one is okay. Now, not only that, we were looking at how to add a login page, which I added. I was here at that time. When you go back to where the video, I was here. So that's why I was confused about seeing the login page for teachers and students at the top here. So what we need to do is I have to come back. I have to select the desktop view. This is the desktop. So all that I was doing, I was at the that is mobile, that is the tablet view, and that's the program. Okay, I don't know what I was thinking. It was too late and I was very tired. Charlie, this work, I don't want to talk about it now. Let's move on to what we are doing. So let's come back to the tablet. I will first of all remove it from here. Okay, so let me just remove that. Okay, I will remove it from here, and let's come back to mobile view, a tablet, a desktop. This is a desktop. Then pick this. I want to drop it here. Okay, good. I think the last time we added, I don't know whether it is still there. Good. So we have added the teachers login, and then student, we have added a link. Okay, just that the student one, there's something that we need to do that I have to, after this I will do your attention, then we work on that. So we have added on the desktop, it has been added. So when I come here and refresh the page, we will see that here. Okay, you see it here. See, it's there. Good. And then I want to remove this search button there, icon. So I will just remove this. Good. And save it. But right now, when we check it on tablet, we will not see that login. Okay, it won't be here. It's not there. Okay, it's not here. Okay, so I want to include it. I want to add it. Okay, so then I can decide to pick this and drop it here. Or I don't know if here, let's see. So, okay, good. It's on top here. So we can put it on top here, or we can decide to put it here. Okay, so that when our users, let me click this, when our users click here, they will see that under it, you see, something like that. Okay, good. So that is cool. Now let's look here. I think, I don't know, I want this one to be in caps, capital letters. That would be very nice. Or let's come back here and click here and make it caps. Okay, good. So that by clicking here, it will be in the capital letters. Yeah, the size is okay. Let's go back to the desktop. So I will then click here to remove that. So the desktop is on top here. Okay, which is good. And then what else? Because the colors, I'll be working on the colors later. So let's leave it for now. I'm not sure. We are going by the yellow. Okay, but let's wait and see. Okay, so right now what I will do is let me add a social icon here. So I'll click and put the social icon here. Here. Okay, good. So that login for teachers will be here. The social icon will be here. Okay, so for the social icon, click on that. I will uncheck this. Twitter, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Okay, but I don't like the Twitter icon. I don't know why. The icon is not looking other good. Let me see. Oh, why? Okay, let me remove that. Okay, so right now I can click here and search for Twitter. So I will select this one and then click add. So it has been added. Let's see. Okay, so is this a case if you want to add WhatsApp, you can go ahead and do that. First, let me look at the icon size. Okay, so for now, let us leave it. Let me come to design here. It's about changing the color. Okay, so I will just publish this, then leave here for now. Okay, good. So now we are done with this. We are now going to look at, I want to decide on color. Let's decide on color and let us continue with this. Okay, so let me refresh here and see what we have done so far. Okay, this is what we have, but because the colors are the same, that's why we can't see it well. So we are going to look at the colors that we'll be using for this website, the sample site that we are trying to. But you know something, this website now, let me look at it. I think there's nothing unique about this website. I'm talking about the sample one. Because recently I've designed some. Oh, why? Okay, there's misspellings of the address. GHS. Okay, so this is a sample site. It's a website that I designed for my school. That is where I teach. Okay, and then it has a blue. Okay, so we are going by the same website. We are using the same since we are designing the same, almost the same thing. I will just pick the colors from here. Okay, so let me come here and use the color picker and pick the color. Okay, so I'll pick the blue color. Oh, I don't know. So let me click it again and pick the blue color. It has, okay, so I'll come here and then I'll show you the color code. Don't worry about that. So let's go to colors here. Then the first color I want it to be the blue color. Or I will go with the second color. Let me select the second one here. So I'll pick it. I have pasted that color, and the code is #0C4AA5. That's the color code. Okay, so let me publish that. No, let me put this one here. Okay, let me put this color here, so that the yellow color will be here. Okay, so the yellow color, let me come back here and pick the yellow color. So I will select here and pick it from here. I hope you are enjoying using this color picker. Okay, good. It's nice. Okay, so I will click here and then I will paste the yellow color here. In case if you want to go by the same color, the color code is #ECB228. Is below this video. Okay, good. So I will publish that. Now we are now going to change the header. I want to have a blue color here, so I will click header. Then I will come here and click here. Then I will click here and select here. Then I'll select the blue color here. So now we have the blue color. Okay, because of that, we can't see the teacher's login and the social icons. Okay, so we have to change the color of those. So I will come to here, the HTML. I'll click on that, come here, design, then I'll change the color to white here, so that here too, however, will be, let's say, yellow. Okay, so now, that one is a link, so the link still, I'll make it white. Good, and then that is okay. So this one will be hover. So when I put a mouse on it, the color will change. But I don't like the font size. Okay, so let me click here. Here I will make it 14. The font size will be 14. Then the width, that is the size, I think is too light. Let's make it bold, like medium 500. You see, it's now good. Let me publish here. Now, as you're doing the work, you have to keep on publishing it, okay, so that if something happens, like light goes off, the light can go off at any time. So as you're doing your work, you have to keep on saving it, or else if something happens, it means that you have to start everything all over again, which is something that you don't want to experience that. So let's move on to the social icon. So I will click on the social icon, go here, select that. We will make it white. Good. Then okay, the yellow is okay. Good. The size is too small for me. Yes, icon size. So icon size, I think we should make it like 20, and let's see. Good. 20 on mobile is okay. We can also show the icon on phone, on mobile phone. Okay, good. So on mobile, we can go here. Then we can also, I see. Okay. So let's go to mobile. You see the icon is there. So we can drop it here so that it will fall under the teacher's login. So let's go down and let's see. You see, we have the social icon there, and that is cool. And then I think, to me here, I don't know, I think it's too big, but let's leave it like that. Okay, so let's check that on tablet. On tablet view, I think this one is too big. Let's make it 80 on tablet. So we have changed the logo on tablet, the logo size on tablet. Okay, but on desktop, it's still 100. Okay, good. So let me publish that, and now we can view that from here. Can refresh the page here and look at it. Yes, and I think it's looking good. Perfect. I love it. I know you love it too. Okay, that's nice. But let's look at the size of this website. Okay, when you are designing website, make sure the arrangement, everything is well organized. Okay, when you go to some website, you see the content are not well organized. Let me I don't know, I don't want to check anything. Okay, I mean, talk negatively about someone's website, but let me show you my website here. When you look at this website, this web hosting website, okay, look here, you see it ends here, this letter ends here. Now when I go down, you see that this one, it follow. Oh, okay, let me remove this. Let me remove that, so that's good. Okay, so when you see that it follows from here, where this one ends, the same thing applies to that, and the gap here is the same across. Okay, good, and it's the same across. You have to make sure that it's well organized. That's all. Okay, and when you look at the portfolio too, you see that everything is well organized. Okay, good. Here, look at this. My picture, this picture ends here, and look at this content, it ends here. Okay, good. So some sites, when you go there, you see that the size, the arrangement is, oh, come on, let me remove this one from there. This is a sample site. I will remove my web hosting website so that we have only this, and then sample site. Okay, good. So what I'm saying is we have to look at the size of the website too, the width. So let's go back here and we will locate general. So under general, we will locate layout. So here is 1290. Okay, we don't want that. Let's go with 1170. That's what I've been using. Okay, 1170 is very, very important. Good. So publish it, and now you see where this one is. When I refresh it, it will be it will close. Okay, so let me refresh it, and you know what I'm talking about. You see right now. So this is okay. This one is okay. Don't have to make the size. This is what I've been using, the size that I've been using. Okay, you can others are even using 1140. Okay, but I've been using 1170. Thank you. For now, I think the heading is okay. Okay, good. So let me copy this domain, and if I open this in a private window, there's one thing that I want to draw your attention on that. Okay, I think when we were creating the pages, adding the code, we made a mistake somewhere. The short code, we made a mistake somewhere. Teachers login page is working fine, good, and then teachers login page too, we modify it. Students, it may not work. Yeah, it's not working. There's nothing here, and I know why. Okay, we did not add the code. Okay, so let me close this for now, and let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, so after this, after adding the code, I will end here, and then so let's go down here. I have to go to the school management system here, then we go to settings. So shortcode, click on that, and we can see that we have to display login form and student dashboard. So let's copy this code. It has been copied. Okay, so let's go to all pages, or go to pages, and then we can locate teachers, student login. Okay, so let's click edit. And now we will paste this one here. Okay, and click update. Good. So I will then come back here, or I can open this one again. Sorry, I can open this one in the private window again, and enter GIG Educom here and open it. So this time you see that student login. I have to remove it from here. Student login page is now, oh, it's not working. Oh, let me see. Okay, so let me go back and check. But it has been school management system. Let me look at the code again, because I don't know why it's supposed to be working. Okay, so let's come back here. So settings, and then let's go to shortcode, and let's see to display login form and student dashboard. So let me copy that. I think that is all. I don't know why. So I will then delete this from that, and then I will paste this one here and publish it again. Okay, so it's successful. Now let me open this again and refresh the page. Oh, I'm not getting it. Okay, so let me click here. Okay, so let's leave it for a while. At times, maybe because of catching, we have to wait. Okay, the change will take. We will look at it once next time. Okay, so for now, I don't know why it's supposed to be working, and I don't know why it's not working here. So for now, all that I can say is thank you for watching. We will continue. Bye bye.